kind of ends, or it flows. Huh. Oh, that must mean there's a spring. There's a spring somewhere. That's the only thing that could mean. Oh, a Fairlawn golf course. It's fucking huge. Sorry.
Ooh, you said a swear in my video,
Sorry.
sir.
Sorry, I forgot your video taping.
I'm idiot taping. He's a crude man.
I'm a crude, rude, new dude.
Don't pay any attention to that man.
I'm not behind the curtain.
Exactly.
Muskie River. Looks like it's brandy again.
No camping, no hunting, no trapping, no fishing or fires. No fun allowed at all.
No
Just
kidding.
Just kidding. It's way more fun without killing things. That's how I feel.
What? You can't kill anything? That's no fun.
Screw killing stuff. I hate killing animals.
I have my hands on it. My family.
Feed my family my butt.
Yeah.
I apologize for all the talking. We'll be quiet now so you can enjoy this lovely nature.
Very nice.
I love waterfalls. I told my audience we'd be quiet. Haha.
Oh, sorry. Oh, look, it's definitely not navigable.
This is why I think I always get pain when I hike. Is dehydration.
I wonder how big it is down there.
It's not the size that counts, Ed. I told you. It's gonna be okay. Just
Okay. No more crack for you today. That means coffee.
Okay, we're gonna go enjoy nature now. Bye.